Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use SurveyMonkey. Okay, this is an assessment creator, a kind of survey generator. Also grades and keeps track of all the responses. Okay, I think it's really easy to use to create any kind of survey for students, for your coworkers, for parents, just to kind of get information about how everybody even feels about something going on, or even for students actually taking a quiz online. Okay, it's also really nice because once everybody's done with the assessments, you can send the results back to everyone else. All they need is the web link to follow. Okay, it's really easy to access class information from this way. You can see, as a student, you can compare your own answers to the correct answers and to all the answers from your peers. Okay, so it's a nice way for the educator to understand not only how each individual student is working in the class, but also how the class as a whole is understanding the material. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so you can sign up for free. I've already signed up, but it's really easy. Just need your name and login stuff. Okay. And I can just go ahead and start creating a survey. Okay, they also give you examples, and they'll give you more services. You can pay to have more options in creating your survey, or have someone help create a survey for you. Okay, we can just do a real quick one here. And it'll even give you communities about what the survey is about. Okay, so we'll go with education. And let's just start generating it for me. Okay, there are all sorts of options here about kinds of questions, multiple choice, drop down, rankings, all sorts of things like this. So it's really versatile. You can use it any way you want. We'll just add a simple multiple choice question here. Okay, I can type in my question. What year is it? And then go ahead and put in my answers. 1958, 2015. Okay, and I don't have to have a certain number of responses. I just have to have more than one. I can also add a lot more if I'd like. The green button here. Okay. I can also add in a field where they can comment about the question or other. I'll go ahead and save this. Okay, we'll say that that's it for my survey. And I can go ahead, I can change these two so that my students maybe have a little more clarification about what every button will mean on the survey. But I don't think I need to. Okay. And then I can go ahead and start sending it. One of the easiest ways to send it is to just copy and paste the URL it gives you. Okay. So we can go ahead and I'll just take this right now and open it up in my own web browser, and we'll go take a survey. Okay, and it opens up just like this. This is what everyone that has that web link will look like. And go ahead and select my answer, and done. Okay, and in the generator here, you can also edit all sorts of things like this, like the thank you page. You can take this ad out, or you can have it say whatever you'd want. Thank you from math teacher, things like that. Okay, now I can go back in here and analyze the results. You should be able to see how everybody is responding. So here's my one response from me already. Shows what I answered. Okay, a nice bar graph of just the overall responses. Also a little breakdown, so if I had 20 people answering, I'd know not only what percentage of people answered that, but the straight numbers. Also look at the trends if I upgrade. I didn't really think you need to. But the individual responses here, I can see what each person answered as well. So here's my first responder, 2015. An easy way to make this, to see what each student is answering, is to make one of the questions, what is your name, and have it open-ended so they can type in their own name, and you can see what each individual student is doing as well. You can leave it anonymous, so that's a way to make it specific, so you could assign a grade value to it if you'd like. Okay, and we can export this. Okay, and there we go. And that is using SurveyMonkey. It's really easy and free. I think it's a good resource to have.